Hello guys, in today's video we'll be looking at how you can trade successfully using the 5-minute strategy. Okay, if you have been struggling with your trading activities, then you need to watch this video to the end, because this will show you a simple strategy which you can apply to trade successfully using on boom and crash. Okay, which you can use to trade boom and crash successfully. So if you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. This is the channel which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. Okay, so feel free to browse through it, watch some of my video clips. Make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before you dive into before you dive into your real account in any of the strategies shared here. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you have any question about any of my videos, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and I'll also be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it and set the notification to all notification. That way you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what the market is presenting to us today before we go into what we have properly today. Okay, I'm starting with boom 1000 and I'm using the signal indicator with boom 1000. As you can see, it's been on a very long downtrend. Okay, but of course it started the downtrend after approaching this resistance level, and it started going down from there till this level. So that is the way it works. As you can see, we got our sell signal here just below this blue line, and the blue line changes from blue to yellow. This actually gave us 90 minutes candles, which is amazing. That is, it was going down for like 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, that is amazing. So let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. For crash 1000, it is presently on downtrend. According to the crusher indicator, it got to a resistance level here and it started crashing around there. Okay, let's check out what is happening with boom 500. For boom 500, I'm using the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, for boom 500, the QDC scraper indicator says that it is on downtrend at the moment. It makes it very easy for us to analyze. Okay, so you can see the downtrend started from here, and ever since it's been going down. So we can check it out if it actually got to the entry point. Okay, let's check it out if it actually got to the entry point. This is the entry point. Okay, so let's check it out. You can see this is where the market is. Of course, at a certain point the market spiked up to this level, almost getting to the entry point but didn't get there. But somewhere here it almost got to the entry point also but didn't get there. But at the end of it, check it out, it's seen big profit at the end of it. That is one of the good features of this QDC scraper indicator. Let's check out what is happening with crash 500 using the NT indicator. Of course, you can see the yellow ball here and the yellow candles being formed here, so which means that the market is on downtrend. And as you can see, it is on downtrend. It has gotten to this support level and it is trying to reverse a bit. Okay, if it is unable to break this resistance level, the resistance level that is here, then definitely the market will go back down to this level. Okay, that is the way it works. I will be stopping here with my analysis. Let's go straight into what we have for today, which is 5-minute trading strategy for trading boom and crash. Okay, so that is what we will be looking at today. Remember, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. And if you have any question about this video or any of my videos, feel free to contact me and I will reply you as soon as possible. So let's go straight to the market to see what is happening there. Okay, let's see what is happening there in the market. Okay, so we'll be using crash 1000 for our analysis today. Okay, and we are using this indicator QDC scraper indicator to check out what is happening in the market. Okay, so for crash 1000, we want to look at the 5-minute trading strategy, which I promised to explain in this video. And as you can see, the first thing you need to do is to make sure your setup is in this form, and also put your time frame into 5 minutes. Okay, that way you will be able to trade successfully. And what you should look out for is the trend, which is the first thing. There are three things you should look out for. The first thing is the trend. Okay, we have the three indicators giving us the trend there. We have the 4 MA candles, we have this one in the middle, then we have the last one, which is QDC scraper, trend scraper, which is QDC trend scraper. Okay, is the last one. So we are going to focus more on the last one, because it gives us the general trend of the market at this particular point. Okay, so that is the one we are going to be focusing on, and we on the other two we support this. Okay, that is the way it works. Then after looking at the trend, then we look at the signals on the main chart, which are the arrows. Okay, that is what we look at. Okay, for crash, okay, for newbies, in most cases they love buying crash. So let's see how we can buy crash. Okay, so for crash, this is what you do. Before you can buy crash, you wait for the signal to be green, the trend signal to be green. Once you see this uptrend signal and these bars are being green, then you wait for your buy signal on the main chart to appear. Once it appears, you can come in and pick up a candle. Okay, you can come in and pick up a candle. You can see it here. You are free to pick up a candle, even more than a candle, if you have enough trading capital. But let's say you decide to come in and pick up a candle or two, that is 10-minute candles. If you are picking up 2 candles, the reason is, even if you are caught up in a spike, okay, some of you are scared of spike, right? Even if you are caught up in a spike, I want you to know that this is on upper, I mean, the trend is on uptrend, so you are still safe at that particular point. So you are still safe at this level, because it will definitely come back to profit at the end of the day. So that is why you need to make sure you choose the signal that supports the trend of the market. Okay, so let's see if this really works out for us. Okay, you can see right here we are on uptrend here. Right here we are on uptrend, so we got our buy signal here. But check it out. Let's see how many candles we are able to get with this. Okay, let's see the number of candles we are able to get with this. Okay, let's say this is our entry point, and let's see the number of 5-minute candles we are able to get with this. You exit once you see the exit arrow appearing. Okay, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, these are 14 5-minute candles. You don't even need to wait for the all 14 candles to appear before you exit the market. You can exit after getting 2 or 3 candles. Okay, let's check out another one. Check out this. We got our buy signal here, and we have our bullish candle being created almost immediately. Okay, this is another one. We got our another buy signal here, and this is the bullish candle that is being created. So you can always take advantage of that. Okay, it has been fully created, and another one is about to be created again. So you can always take advantage of that each time you get it. Okay, and like I said, that should be a signal that supports the trend. Okay, this is another one. You can see you have opportunity to pick up more candles, because it also crossed the 4 MA candles. But check it out, this actually gave us 23-minute candles. It is on a bullish trend. Okay, on a bull trend. So definitely you have the confidence to trade for a very long time. This is another one. This is for 12 minutes. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to share more example with you on how you can use to trade for a very long time. This is another 12 candles. Okay, that is 5 times 12, that is 60 minutes. Okay, you can see you can easily come in and pick up your 2 to 3 candles each time you are on a bull trend and you get a buy signal. Remember what I told you, you must be on a bull trend, then the next thing is you must get a buy signal here. If you are not getting a buy signal, probably you miss the buy signal. When it breaks out from the 4 MA candles, then you can come in and pick up your trade. So let's check out the breakout strategy. Okay, you can see it broke out here. We got our 5 minutes here. It broke out here. We got our 5 minutes here. It broke out here. We got our 5 minutes here. Let's check out more. Okay, let's check out more. You can see it broke out here and we still got our 5 minutes here. So that is how you can use it to trade successfully. So I will be stopping here for now. So watch out for my next video. But before then, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. And if you have any question, feel free to contact me so that we can trash this out successfully. Okay, so watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.